Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of Kovo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. If you've been following our channel, you may have seen one of our 99 short vocal exercise of the week videos, each one focused on a single vocal exercise. But these new routines include more than one exercise, and they're designed for you to sing straight through with me, less talking, more exercising, so you can make Kovo part of your regular vocal conditioning. And since October is still Consonants Month at Kovo, this week we are exploring a new consonant family, continuants. A continuant consonant is one that allows the breath to continue, to keep moving through the vocal tract rather than stopping completely, as happens during plosive consonants. So continuants include sounds like v, and z. With continuants, the airflow continues, sometimes with vibration, sometimes without, but these consonants don't interrupt the breath. So, have you ever been told that your vocal tone should be constant when you sing? Well, if you have, that person was lying to you. Either that or they've never heard of unvoiced consonants. These are ones which stop the vibration of the vocal cords. So the trick to keeping a legato line while pronouncing an unvoiced continuant or any continuant is actually just not to linger on the consonants too long. So let's give that a try in our first exercise, which compares the voiced and unvoiced continuant siblings v, the letter V, and f, the letter F. So here's the exercise: V, 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 ve, va, vo, vu, 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 vu. In both versions, I want you to imagine that you are brushing the consonants on the same breath flow that you'll use for the vowels that follow to keep them connected to the same airstream as the vowels. Let's sing using the top line syllables. Here we go. V, 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 ve, va, vo, vu, vu. V, 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 ve, va, vo, vu, vu. V, 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 On the way down, we'll change to V's unvoiced sibling, F. The lips and the teeth do the same articulatory movement, but this time the vocal cords stop vibrating while the air continues to flow. Very nice. In our next exercise, we are going to focus exclusively on voiced continuants. These are consonants that actually have pitch, ones that we can sing on. So those include th, and r. And because these consonants have pitch, they need to be sung on the pitch, not underneath it. Many singers let the consonants sag or start below the note. Also, for singers with vibrato, it is worth noting that voiced continuants can have a vibrato as well. So our job here is twofold. We're going to balance the breath flow and make sure that we are tuning the consonant sounds exactly to the pitches. As you can see, we're going to be lengthening and sustaining each of these consonants so you can really hear the tone quality. For example, the top line goes like this. Join me. Let's try the next line down. The, like the word they. That one tickles a little. So let's try the third line down. This one goes from to ah. As we sing a few back down, if you can roll an R, try that, followed by the O vowel. And if you can't roll an R, no worries, just stick to your favorite of the three consonants that we have already tried. final exercise of this routine is a favorite here at Kovo. We call it Seesaw because of the way that the pitch is. Seesaw, back and forth. Oh, seesaw between the registers. So during this exercise, I want you to experiment with the amount of breath flow or breath energy that you use for the consonants on each high note. Some people call it breath pressure. Now, continuants can be just as easily under pressurized as over pressurized. We don't want s like a vicious cobra, but we don't want s wimpy either. So what is your tendency? Do your high notes feel freer when you lean in to the consonant a bit more, when you use a bit more breath energy, or are the high notes easier when you ease up? So try both and see which gives you a cleaner, more stable tone. Now, if this exercise is a little high for you, you can read the bottom line notes. Just look for the notes that are stems down. You can breathe in the middle or sing it all on one breath. Seesaw. Seesaw. Let's try the same keys with the voiced sibling of the S sound. This is voiced. Is it easier or harder to achieve a free high note when we sing Z and za? Give it a try. Great job. So I encourage you to use this exercise routine in the coming week to help you perfect your continuant consonants while you also warm up your voice. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we have got more for you. This month, all of our general vocal workouts, which are 30 minutes long, will focus on consonants and how to sing them clearly, cleanly, and comfortably. We host these live vocal workouts twice a week on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you'd like the next vocal exercise routine of the week to show up in your email inbox, you can find out how in the description below. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.